Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to visualize weather conditions with interactive maps. You can choose between two map types, the weather map by OpenWeather and the radar map by Windy. We'll start with the first one, so let's get started. First, open your WordPress dashboard. Go to Pages and click Add New. When the page editor opens, click the plus icon, search for the weather map by OpenWeather block, and add it to your page. With the block selected, look at the Settings panel on the right. Under the Set Location tab, you can choose which location the map should display by simply typing the coordinates. You can also enable Auto Detect Visitor Location if you want the map to automatically show each visitor's current location. Next, open the Weather Map Preferences section. This is where you can customize how the map looks and behaves. You can change the data layer display type to either visual or collapsible, and adjust the layer opacity to make the overlay stronger or lighter. You can also edit the zoom label, turn scroll to zoom on or off, and enable the layer label indicator. When that option is on, a small pop-up will appear on the left side whenever a visitor clicks a data layer. Here, you can also set the width and height of the map so it fits your page perfectly. After that, go to the Control Layer section. Here, you can customize which data layer elements you want to show or hide. You can also choose the default data layer that appears when the map first loads. Next, go to the Pop-up Weather Data section. When someone clicks a location on the map, a small pop-up appears showing weather details. From this section, you can choose which data you want to show or hide by simply turning each option on or off. Now let's move on to the second map, called the Radar map by Windy. You can add this block the same way you added the previous one. Just click the plus icon, search for Radar map by Windy, and insert it into your page. With the block selected, look at the Settings panel on the right. Under the Set Location option, you can choose the location in the same way I showed you earlier. Then, go to the Weather Map Preference section. Here, you can choose the default data layer that will appear when the map loads. You can also customize the zoom label to match your design. Next, under Default Elevation, you can change the surface label if you want. You can turn on Show Marker, and once it's enabled, a marker will appear on the map. After that, you can customize the Show Forecast option. Here, you can change the forecast model, and you can also adjust the forecast from 12 hours to 24 hours. Next, you can customize the airflow pressure lines and weather attribution settings to control how much extra detail appears on the map. On the top right corner of the map, you'll also see a wind option. Click on it, and you'll be able to choose from 39 different layers. Just pick the one that shows the type of weather data you want to display. Once you're happy with everything, just click Publish, and you're all set. That's it. That's how you visualize weather conditions with interactive maps on your site. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.